It's been a week of the first batch of bones in the peroxide. And you can see, well, I'm sure there's a lot of sun glare, but you can see it came out quite nice. Not perfectly white, which to me is fine because, I mean, bones aren't white. They're actually kind of tan. So, you can almost see remnants of like where a bug died, almost like a fossil. It's way in there. I'm sure you can't see it in this. But, and there's, I'm not sure if that's bugs or if it's other bits of debris in these crevices. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these bones and I'm going to let them lay out in the sun and then switch and get some of the cleaner bones from the other section and let them start soaking in soapy water. Okay, so this is the second batch of bones. I brushed them off with just toothbrush, but there's a lot of dirt on them from being in the garden, so I'm just gonna let these guys soak in some soap water. Again, always using the best we have and dropping everything in the process. Okay, nice thing about this batch is it's smaller and, well, I guess smaller in size because the skull's not here. Lots of, whoops, sorry, you're flying. Lots of ribs and a couple of very tiny bones. It might be ankle bones and whatnot. So these are gonna sit and I'm gonna take these upstairs to the balcony to get some sun. Okay, so Gus has been, where are you, buddy? I'm shooting backwards here. Gus has been helping. And here's what's left. So hopefully I will come to a solution with the spine because I don't know what on earth to put that in. I know, you're just looking for chipmunks, aren't you? See, there are chipmunks. There's chipmunks down there. Okay, later. Okay, so, it might be hard to see with the sun glare. So, here we go. The first batch, looking pretty good. Now what's shocking is you can still see there are a couple of little bits of soft tissue, even after all that they've been through, which is gross. So hopefully that will dry up and maybe I'll be able to, I don't know, cut it off with something, because I've tried using a knife and that's really on there. Ollie, I would love to have you check these bones out. Come on. Can you come look? Your cousin's crying. Here we go. Can you come look? What do you think, Oliver? What is your opinion?
What's Ollie doing?
Ollie's helping me inspect the bones. Thanks, Ollie.